Alrighty folks, so we're trying the headlight lens restorer, and I guess I'm making a review. I've applied a little bit of tape around this here. As you can see, I've already applied it to this light, and the other side looks like this, just kind of dingy looking. We're gonna try to shine her up, see what happens. So I have applied this, now I'm gonna buff it with the terry cloth, like they said, in the directions. We'll see how that goes. Looking better, but I think I'm gonna reapply because I want to be more stunned than that. Alright, so the instructions say if it's still not clear, apply spray lubricant to the green polishing pad. So here's the spray lubricant, and I'm applying it to the green polishing pad. Okay, now what? It says begin rubbing using firm pressure and a back and forth motion over the lens. Yeah, here we go. All right, so I did what the instructions said. I polished with, they're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and I imagine it's probably coarse to fine grit. And if you compare to the other one, much more dingy looking. I would say in real life the difference is much more obvious, but there you go. My review of this is that it's adequately impressive.